Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting Stage Manager immediately. Open Control Center and toggle Stage Manager on. You need iPad OS 16 or later and a compatible iPad, so check that first. Once enabled, open the primary apps you'll use and place the dock where it's accessible. This speeds window selection. You'll see centered app and thumbnails on the left. Use them to launch secondary apps. Make sure multitasking gestures are ready, because you'll rearrange windows next to the primary app. Now you'll organize workspaces. Drag any thumbnail into the central canvas to snap it beside your main app. You can resize by dragging corners. This gives you precise layout control for reading, editing, or referencing. Once done, group apps by dragging one onto another to create a group that restores together. Make sure to use split view for focused pairs, and if you have an external display, extend or mirror to move full windows over. This keeps your main iPad screen uncluttered while apps stay reachable. Finish by organizing and leaving the workspace as you want it to persist. Stage Manager remembers grouped apps and window positions, so once set up, exit to Home and you'll restore that arrangement. If a window becomes unresponsive, restart Stage Manager from Control Center or reboot the iPad. That resolves most freezes. If layouts are consistently wrong, reset multitasking layouts via Settings Home Screen and Multitasking. Keep software updated and check app updates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.